Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy, crunchy potato chips in the air fryer. Begin by rinsing your potato really well. I am using a russet potato, but you could use pretty much whatever potato that you want. So I rinsed it and then dried it. And now we want to get our potato slices that we can turn into those potato chips. I like to use my trusty Mandoline slicer, or if you don't want to get a Mandoline, you can just use a knife. I want to soak the potato slices in water, cold water, and what this is going to do is it is going to allow the starch to come out of the potato a little bit, not all of it, and I do have a guard here, but I'm not going to use the guard until I get closer to my fingers. You just always want to be careful whenever using a Mandoline slicer. And you want the slices to be, I don't know, around 1/8 of an inch thick to 1/16 of an inch, somewhere around there. Okay, so these slices I'm going to just keep here in the cold water, and we're going to let that soak for 20 to 30 minutes. And you can already see how cloudy this water is getting, and it's getting cloudy because of that starch. Halfway through the 20 minutes, I replaced the water with some fresh water. And now we just want to drain this and dry these slices. And then I just have some paper towel here. And we can put these on here to dry them. I'm going to spray these with olive oil. Get my little salt grinder. And then depending on the air fryer you have will depend on how many of these you can do at once. If you have the kind that has the little trays, you can probably double up the trays and then just move the trays halfway through cooking. If you have a basket style like this, then you're limited to how much you can do at one time. Now let's put these in the air fryer. All right, into the air fryer it goes. I'm gonna go all the way down to 325 Fahrenheit. Which is right around 160, 162 Celsius. And it's gonna take probably 7 to 10 minutes. And so I'm gonna do 10 minutes, but I'm gonna stop it at around 5 minutes, and we'll flip these over and then go another 3 to 4 minutes and see where that gets us. All right, let's take a look at these. Looking good. It really is important to have them as uniformly cut as possible, but looking pretty good. All right, now I'm going to cook up the rest of these potato slices and show you the results. Also, results are going to vary depending on your air fryer, depending on the potato you're using, and depending on how uniform you slice those potatoes. So there you go. That is how you cook potato chips in the air fryer. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. Grab this one right there.